Lokrum Island, featuring a botanical garden, salt lake, and Benedictine monastery dating back to at least 1023. Offers a serene getaway from the hustle and bustle of Dubrovnik. Visitors come to enjoy its tranquil walking trails, natural swimming spots, and vibrant peacocks. Known as a filming location for Court and Game of Thrones. Lokrum is a favorite day trip destination. Boats depart regularly from Dubrovnik's Old Town port, reaching Lokrum in just 15 minutes.